What? They call me up in that curve. They call me up in that curve. They call me up in that curve.
Guys, what's good? What is going on today? How are we doing? Are you good? Excuse the dark background. My room light decided to stop working. But yes, we are making a Metro Boomin type beat today. Nothing really special. It's just like, you know what, let's just make a nice little dark melody, put some nice little spins 808s on that thing, and call it a Metro Boomin type beat. And of course, we can't forget about the reverb and gross beat. But that's really about it. I'm got nothing. But yeah, don't forget to join the Discord. Don't forget to like, share the video as well, and comment on videos I should do in the future, or you know, if you like the video or not. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, okay? It's very important that you do that. Don't forget to turn on post notifications as well. But yeah, let's just get into this video. I don't feel like spending a lot of time. The dunk contest is about to be on, so let's hurry this up. All right, Omnisphere, see what you got. Okay, what is with this decay? Like, just stop already. Hold on, does this make the decay less trash? This is alright so far. Hold on a second, this thing is not. This is a pretty cool melody. Let's. Let's get the randomizer out. Alright, this is kind of ambient and airy, but I'm gonna. Yeah. Alright, cool. So this is pretty cool. Now I'm just, the pitch is alright, but I just want to change it up to see if I can find a better one. Yeah, that one's better.
Later.
I got literally the perfect sound of Nexus for this.
What the?
If Nexus decides to work today. Will Nexus work today? Find out in a few seconds. Let's, yeah, you know what? Matter of fact, let's see if Zoom 2 has anything. Let's make this interesting. Cause let's try this. Let's try. Ooh, whoops. No, chill out. No. Alright, now it's just the lows that need to go away because the lows are kind of clashing a bit too much. Actually, I can just go into Omnisphere and take care of that a little bit because it's the ambient lows on the reverb, so. Let's edit the hi-hats a little bit actually because I'm not feeling these hi-hats. We're ready to go. We're ready to get the drums in. We're ready now. Snare. I'm starting with the snare today. Actually, yeah, snare. Forget it. We're gonna go to snare. Where is it? Nah, forget that. Let me try. These hi-hats, I'm not feeling these hi-hats at all. Does he have a good hi-hat? Closed. Let's try these. There we go. This is what I need. And I need to remember to add reverb on these because I haven't been adding reverb on my hi-hats lately. This needs to go a little faster. Alright, finally we get to do the 808s now. It's the best part of the beat, so let's get on to it. Nope, that's not it. Alright, let's bring this all the way up here. And I like to do my 808s without the rest of the drums, so that's what we're just gonna do. I'm just gonna do that. Guys, that's it. That is fire. All right, I'm gonna keep it there. See, you know, like when I have creative freedom, I feel like when I restrict myself, my beats aren't as good. But like when I have creative freedom, I just make whatever feels comfortable to me, and I just make a banger. So I think we might start doing more of these. But there are gonna be more anime videos coming on the way. Don't get it twisted. All right, anime videos are still coming. If you like the video, don't forget to leave a like. All right, it's gonna really help me a lot. I'm gonna need you to like the video. Please like the video. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment on what I should do or what I shouldn't do. You know what I'm saying? Things like that. Don't forget to subscribe too. All right, it's mandatory. Subscribe. Don't be a lame. Just press it. Yeah, go on. Yep, press the button. Go ahead. I'll wait. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, I really appreciate it. That really helps me out a lot. And I'm gonna see you all in the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox beats. Unorthodox beats.